Madagascar leech. He's not sucking your blood yet. How come he's not sucking your blood?
Why do you want him to suck his blood?
Oh, it's out of focus now.